Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is solving scientific notation word problems. To understand the concept, let's look at some questions. The first one says there are 2 into 10 to the power 6 bathrooms in the USA. If each bathroom contains 3.5 into 10 to the power 4 watermarks, how many watermarks are in the USA? So let's get started and see how we'll set up the situation. So one bathroom has 3.5 into 10 to the power 4 watermarks. For watermarks we write WM. So the total of 2 into 10 to the power 6 bathrooms, and we have to find out the number of watermarks in them. This is given by 3.5 into 10 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 into 10 to the power 6. These many watermarks would be there in the USA. Now for what we'll do this, we'll put the numbers together, we'll multiply them 3.5 into 2, and we'll put these exponents as one place, 10 to the power 4 times 10 to the power 6. 3.5 times 2 becomes 7 into 10 to the power of, now here bases are same, when multiplied the powers add up, that is 4 plus 6. So our final answer in scientific notation is 7 into 10 to the power of 10. These many watermarks are there in the US. So this is the final answer and can be seen in option A. For better understanding, let's look at the next question. There are 8.2 into 10 to the power of 5 microscopes in a petri dish. If there are a total of 7.3 into 10 to the power 11 petri dishes in the lab, how many microbes are in the lab? So one petri dish has 8.2 into 10 to the power of 5 microbes. In total we have 7.3 into 10 to the power of 11 petri dishes. So the number of microbes in all these petri dishes would be given by 7.3 into 10 to the power of 11 times 8.2 into 10 to the power of 5. So this is what we have. So we'll put the numbers together, that is 7.3 into 8.2 into 10 to the power of 11 times 10 to the power of 5. So 7.3 times 8.2 is 59.86, and this is 10 to the power of 11 plus 5 is 16. Now we have to have the answer in the scientific notation. For that the decimal has to be over here. So since the decimal has to be moved one place to the left, that means the power of 10 is increased by 1. So this becomes 10 to the power of 17 microbes would be there in 7.3 into 10 to the power 11 petri dishes. So this is the final answer and can be seen in option D. Let's try the next question. Solve. There are 7.3 into 10 to the power of 8 petals throughout the gardens in New Jersey. In each garden, if each garden has 7.9 into 10 to the power 6 petals, how many gardens are in New Jersey? So they say that one garden has 7.9 into 10 to the power 6 petals, and the total number of total petals is equal to 7.3 into 10 to the power of 8. Now to find out the number of gardens is given by the total number of petals, that is 7.3 into 10 to the power of 8, divided by petals in one garden. So we will set this up as 7.3 divided by 7.9. Let's write it down separately. And for this exponent part, now the bases are same and the numbers are divided. That means powers will subtract. So 10 to the power of 8 minus 6. 7.3 divided by 7.9 is 0.924 into 10 to the power of 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we have to have the answer in scientific notation, that is, you have to move the decimal over here, that is in the form of 9.2. Now it's being moved one place to the right, so the power decreases by 1. So the final answer is 9.24 into 10 to the power of 1. This is the final answer and is seen in option B. I hope solving scientific notation word problems is easy now. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.